Harriet Tubman didn't take no stuff, wasn't scared of nothing.
She's only 5 years old, so not
confused. Didn't come into this world to be no slave, and wasn't going to stay one either. Farewell, she sang to her friends one night. She's mighty sad to leave them, but she ran away that dark hot night, ran looking for her freedom. She ran to the woods and she ran through the woods, with the slave catcher right behind her. And she kept on going till she got to the north where those mean men couldn't find her. 19 times she went back south to get 300 others. She ran for her freedom 19 times to save black sisters and brothers. Harriet Tubman didn't take no stuff, wasn't scared of nothing either. Didn't come in this world to be no slave, and didn't stay one either. And didn't stay one either.